You wake up in the morning after a full 8 hours of sleep and still feel exhausted. Not just a little tired, but heavy, slow, like your body never really recovered. And so, like millions of people, you reach for coffee because that's what we've been told works. But here's the uncomfortable truth. Coffee isn't giving you energy, it's hiding the fact that you don't have any. Inside your brain, fatigue is constantly building up, and caffeine simply blocks your ability to feel it. So for a while, you feel alert, focused, in control. But the fatigue doesn't disappear, it waits. And when the effect fades, it all comes crashing back at once. That sudden drop in energy, mood, and focus isn't random. It's your biology catching up with you. But the problem goes deeper. Sleep isn't just about 8 hours. Your brain moves in cycles, around 90 minutes each, and waking up in the wrong phase leaves you foggy, disoriented, and mentally slow. That feeling has a name, sleep inertia, and it can quietly affect your entire day. And then there's something most people ignore: light. The blue light from your phone at night tells your brain it's still daytime, delaying recovery and disrupting your sleep quality, even if the duration looks perfect. But when you align your sleep cycles, manage your caffeine, and use light the right way, everything changes. You stop chasing energy and start creating it naturally. Because real energy isn't something you consume, it's something you unlock when your system finally works with you, not against you. And if you want to understand your body at a deeper level and take control of your energy, focus, and life, make sure to subscribe to the channel.